nationwide economic reform started, but I was instrumental to start second generation reforms. And I prepared vision document in 1999, Vision for 2020. Then people asked me, 21 years vision. Then I told him, everybody, it is very, very necessary. At that time, we used to have 5 years plan. That too not effectively executed. We prepared Vision 2020. If you see in Hyderabad, all these things happened and transformed totally. 20 years recently it is over. If you can compare what vision we have given, at that time I created Cyberabad. Youngsters who are all aware technology. At that time, I visualized all over the world what is happening. I want to go for knowledge economy. Then I started one building, that is iTech City, with a public-private partnership. From there, my journey started. Then I created Hyderabad, Cyberabad, which was inaugurated by the then American President Bill Clinton. We had 2 cities, Hyderabad, Secunderabad. I added one more city, that is Cyberabad, only to promote information technology and knowledge economy. There, if you see, we are all thinking money. At that time, I went around all over the world. I networked with Microsoft. Microsoft has come to Andhra Pradesh, first time after Seattle. Because of that, all companies of IT has come to Andhra Pradesh. I told all over the world, you cannot undermine Indians. Indians are very strong in mathematics and English. So in IT, we are having a unique place. That is how I promoted. You are seeing today, one step we moved forward, then automatically it will help us. Microsoft CEO is from Andhra Pradesh. Even Google CEO is from India, from Tamil Nadu. You can see all over the world today, all mid-level or senior level executives are from India. That is the strength we are having. We created one of the best infrastructure. If you see Greenfield Airport, first of its kind, outer ring road, 165 kilometers, 8-lane road. At that time we created, and also biotechnology park. It is one of the biggest park as on today in Asia. Very soon COVID vaccine is going to come from that place. If you see all these things, 4% of GDP is coming from Hyderabad for the country. That is how we are able to do something. Again, our state is divided. Where I am saying crisis is an opportunity for all of you. 2014, new state has been formed. We don't have capital. We don't have office. I sat in a bus for some time to function myself. From there, I started my journey. If you see 5 years, average growth rate is 10.5%. 4 years, double-digit growth. Never in the history of pre-independent India, we have grown continuously 4 years, double-digit growth. If you see here, Harvard University has established a case study. If any country or a state will grow 12 years double-digit growth, it will become a developed economy. We have grown 4 years. I have planned another 10 years or 15 years to make first developed state in India. If you see here, agriculture, we are all planning 3 to 4%. We are able to grow 17%. Reason is, I have planned agriculture because of gestation period. If you focus agriculture, this season will get results. Then you can plan industry 2-3 years. Then automatically service sector will develop. This is the approach I have taken.